Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to send Bitcoin using the Guarda Wallet application on your mobile device. The process is quite easy, so let's get started without further ado. First of all, launch the app open on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page of Guarda Wallet app, you will be able to see a list of available cryptocurrencies. To send Bitcoin, tap on BTC or Bitcoin from the list. Now, tap on the send button located at the bottom right-hand corner to start the transaction process. Enter the recipient's address inside the BTC address box. You can also manually enter the recipient's address or scan their QR code for accuracy. After you type in the Bitcoin address for that person, go to the next field where it says amount and enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Right after you do that, click on the continue button at the bottom and follow through the instructions in order to complete your transaction. Remember to double check all the transaction details, and depending on your security settings, you may need to authenticate using a password, PIN, or biometric verification. In order to send Bitcoin from your wallet to someone else, make sure you have enough Bitcoin value on your wallet. And by using these steps, you will be able to send Bitcoin on Guarda Wallet. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.